Hi, I am Iftikar, an undergraduate student, and for my hackathon submission, I have used this dataset from Marvin Analytics called Global Electronics Retailer. It is sales data for a fictitious global electronics retailer, including 6 tables, which contains information about transactions, products, customers, stores, and currency exchange rates. And I have built this entire analytics project with Prophecy's AI agent. First, I imported all the tables and asked the AI agent to do some exploratory data analysis. It gave all the description of the tables and their columns. It also built me a beautiful ER diagram showcasing star schema. It gave some key insights about the data. From there, I have asked the AI agent to build a pipeline for data cleaning and feature engineering. I have instructed the agent to join some tables and do some data transformation like currency conversion, creating a new metric called delivery days, calculate store efficiency, segment customers into various categories like Gen Z, millennials, boomers. Then it created a new unified table for analysis called enriched sales. Then I have asked the agent to create 3 different dashboards. First, customer demand insights. This shows how product and customer interact globally. It created a flow chart which traces the journey from continent to generations to product category. The thicker the line, the higher the purchase volume. And there's a heat map which shows which generations prefer which product category. For example, boomers have dark cells and computers that tell us that's a high affinity pair we should double down on. And there is tree map which shows product portfolio health by sales volume. And there is some key insights and strategic recommendations for the business like target high volume flows, protect star products. The next dashboard it built is operations performance. It is the store efficiency and supply chains performance at a glance. First, it built a store efficiency metric which shows footprints versus profit, and we can see there are some stores which are doing really well and some stores which are not so well. Next, supply chain health metrics which shows average delivery days by region and quarter. We can see Australia in the first quarter of 2016 has an average delivery day of 9.3, which is not good and needs to be investigated. And there's delivery performance by country bar chart. In this we can see Italy has an average delivery day of 4.8, and there are some key insights and strategic recommendations for this dashboard as well. And finally, we have the third dashboard, which is store location strategy, that tell us where should we open, close, or resize stores. There is tree map showing regional profit distribution. We can see in the North America, US has the highest share of profit, and there's state level profit distribution. We can see the state from US have one of the highest profit, and one state from Australia have the lowest. And there's store quadrant distribution by country, which is a heat map showing how stores are classified across countries. Australia have 4 stores in strong hub, France have 7 in niche market, which is high profit and low traffic. There's a bar chart showing unique customers per country. We can see United States has the largest sum of unique customer, and there is key insights and strategic recommendations as well, like protect US strong hubs, review Australia, replicate France model, and target demand gaps. To summarize, dashboard 1 tells us who buys what, dashboard 2 shows how well we execute, and dashboard 3 guides where to invest next. Together they form a complete picture for data-driven decision. And that's all from this project, Global Retail Analytics with Prophecy AI. And thank you.